Hello you guys, how are you doing? Today I will show you how you can replace the PIR sensor cap from a Doorbird D101. The problem is the Doorbird motion sensor takes pictures every second instead of triggered by motion. The cause is the sensor cap is broken, probably deteriorated by UV radiation, and the Doorbird at this moment is 10 years old. The solution is quite simple, replacing of the sensor cap. This part you can buy separately. Some watchouts are: when installing a new cap, you can scratch it by the sharp edge. Remove hars completely, clean, and then install a new cap. The new caps are ordered with Doorbird, and one package contains 3 pieces, and it costs about 11 euros. So here you can see that Tim has removed the Doorbird from the wall. Here you can see the problem, that the sensor cap is worn entirely. He ordered the new sensor caps, opened the Doorbird. With a Torx screwdriver T10 you can unscrew the screws. Here trying to get to the sensor cap. So now you have to remove the plastic sensor cap, the old one, and then remove all the glue. This is the new one. Here you can see that he used a knife to clean it and removed all the glue. Cleaned perfectly. And now it's possible to fit the new sensor cap in, but you can see he scratched it a little bit. So be very careful when you put in the new sensor caps. And then a picture from the Doorbird, and then the 2 Torx screwdrivers T6 and T10. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.